Hello everyone. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on dictionaries. So let's start one by one. Here is my dictionary. Let's print it. So here you can see the key and its value. Now let's see the built-in function clear. When you use clear function, it removes all the elements from the dictionary. So it will return none. All the elements has been removed or clear. Next function is len. Len function is used to return the length of your dictionary elements. It will count of key values of the dictionary. So here are 4 keys with its value. So it will return the length of your dictionary. Next function is get. Get function returns the value of the specified key. For example, if you pass the key, that is Vijay, it will return its value 24. Next is items. Items function returns all the items of a dictionary in the form of tuple. So here you can see the key and values are returned in the form of tuple. Next function is keys, which will return a list of dictionary keys. So all the keys has been returned by keys function, and if you want to access values, so you can use values function, which will return a list of all values in the dictionary. Next is pop function. Pop function removes the element with the specified key. Let's use the key, that is Vijay. So it will remove its value 24. So it will return the deleted value. Now let's print the dictionary after removing the element. So here you can see the key Vijay and its value 24 has been removed from our dictionary. Next function is pop item. Pop item removes the last inserted key value pair. So it will remove the last element or last key or its value. So here you can see the remaining elements has been returned by pop item. Next function is update. Let's see the use of update function. Here is my dictionary 1. Here is my dictionary 2. Let's change some values and see the difference. Let's update dictionary 1 with dictionary 2. So it will return none. Let's check again. Okay, so here you can see that changes is done in the values of similar keys, whereas dissimilar keys got joined with their values. So this is the working of update function. So that's all about dictionaries function. Thank you for watching.